Inside this modern facility, raw cane sugar undergoes a precise transformation.
Sugar is one of the most widely consumed ingredients on Earth.
From kitchens to industries, it plays a silent role in daily life.
But sugar begins far from factories. Sugarcane grows for over a year before harvest.
Water and climate define sucrose yield.
Harvest timing is critical. Modern mills rely on mechanized harvesting. Cane must reach the mill quickly.
Delays reduce sugar recovery.
Weight and quality are measured.
Sucrose content is verified. Cleaning removes soil and debris. Surface area is increased for extraction. The process now turns mechanical. Juice is extracted under extreme force. Up to 90% recovery is achieved. Nothing is wasted. The juice carries impurities. Heat prepares it for clarification. pH is carefully adjusted. Impurities separate naturally. Solids became fertilizer. Water must be removed efficiently. Energy is recycled internally. Crystallization begins.
Crystal growth is controlled.
Uniform size is essential. Separation is next. Extreme speeds are used. Centrifugal force separates materials. Molasses finds other uses. Raw sugar is formed. Surface color is removed. Carbon and resins purify the syrup. No bleaching agents are used. Purity increases further. Final moisture is controlled.
Temperature is stabilized.
Uniformity is checked.
Purity exceeds 99%.
Color meets strict standards. Packaging begins.
Automation ensures efficiency.
Finished sugar awaits distribution. Energy is generated on-site. Factories become energy independent.
Molasses fuels other industries.
Water is reused efficiently. Emissions are tightly controlled. Environmental standards are met.
Many myths surround sugar refining.
The process is physical and food grade.
White sugar is among the purest foods.
Science and engineering work together.
Every crystal tells a story.